What's good, y'all? It's King Tease. Welcome back to Throughout the Association. And just when we thought the Golden State Cavaliers final series was done, we get part 5. But this time it wasn't on the court and it wasn't on national TV. Now, if you guys don't remember, after Golden State won the championship, Draymond Green at Golden State Parade, he said after Game 4, Tristan Thompson tried to shake his hand, to which Draymond Green refused. And he looked Tristan Thompson up and down and told him we ain't built the same. Well, come to find out, Tristan Thompson did not forget about this, and he didn't find it funny. Now, this is according to Jason McIntyre and Gossip. The next time Tristan Thompson saw Draymond Green was a few weeks ago at an ESPY Award after party, and Draymond Green tried to apologize to Tristan Thompson, and Tristan Thompson proceeded to hit Draymond Green with a nasty Mayweather two-piece. Y'all know what the Mayweather two-piece is. He hit you, but you still standing, and you didn't hit him, so he win the round. But before Draymond Green had the chance to protect himself with his karate kicks, Kevin Durant and LeBron James broke this up. LeBron then left the team and still got to carry Tristan Thompson. Now, this is all alleged, and it could be real. But as much as I would love to clown Draymond Green because he talked so much during the games, it's 2018, okay? If it didn't get caught on video, I just can't believe it. Where's the tapes? Drop the tapes. If it's not on video, it did not happen. Unless they confirm this or I see some video, this is not real. What you guys think about this? And definitely subscribe.